I am Joseph Mezner and I am 22 years old. My mentor in Slovenia was Sašo Šmegić of Generali Investments. Under his guidance, I gained exposure to the financial markets of Slovenia and the EU by working with the company's real estate fund and doing macroeconomic analysis. I love the beautiful scenery and the variety of nature in Slovenia. By living in Ljubljana, it was incredible to be so close to Slovenia's Adriatic coast and the Alps. One of my favorite memories of Slovenia was hiking in the mountains around Kranjska Gora. One of my favorite ASEF activities was the trip to the Slovenia region. It was incredible getting to see the Logar Valley, eat at a traditional farmhouse, explore the castle in Celje, and taste different beers at the beer fountain in Žalec. I'm so thankful for the opportunity to be a junior ASEF fellow and to visit Slovenia. It was an amazing experience to explore the beautiful country of Slovenia, accelerate my career, and make many lifelong friends.